Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabriella Catano and this is Catano Glam English. As you can tell from the title of this video and from what I am wearing, I am going to be doing a Forest Fairy makeup tutorial. I hope that you guys are excited and ready. P.S. I already did a fairy tutorial a few years ago with a more pinky vibe, so if you're interested, just click on the link on screen. If you like more of a green vibe, give it a thumbs up before we start, share it with a friend, subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and if you want to hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post. Alright guys, let's get right into this fairy tutorial. First, we want to make sure we have nice and glowy skin, so I'm going to mix a little bit of the foundation with a hydrating primer that has a little bit of luminosity. Not only did I add some concealer to cover up my dark circles, but I'm also adding it to the eyelid to prep them for the eyeshadow. I'm going to be taking a cream blush stick to add some color to my cheeks. Fairies have really glowy skin and they don't have a lot of powder, so that's why I'm sticking to cream products in today's look. With a little bit of powder, I'm going to be setting the areas that are absolutely necessary, which is under the eyes and on the T-zone. Basically wherever we would get a little oily throughout the day or night. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this light lime green with an angled brush for step one. So I am going to begin drawing a line upwards. And instead of doing a cat eyeliner like we would normally do, I'm actually going to be doing like a cut crease. So bringing that over the hollowness of the eye. And I'm going to leave this part empty without anything. Really quick, let's fill this in with the same shade. I'm now adding a light green shade that has a little bit of shimmer to the inner half of the eyelid. I'm going to go in with a lime green eyeliner, but don't feel pressured to do this look the exact same way that I'm doing it. You can use whatever eyeliner you want, or even just leave it without an eyeliner. I think it still looks really cute. I'm going to be playing with some rhinestones and some lash glue, guys, to give this more of a glam fairy look. And a quick hack to make this even easier is just apply the lash glue directly to the spot where you're going to put the little rhinestones. For brows, we're going to keep it real simple and just use a clear brow gel, you guys. So I am just going to brush my little hair going upwards like so, and slowly but surely giving it the shape that I want, but I definitely want it to be like that lifted brow look. I'm going to be taking two lip products today. One is a little Lippie stick that I'm going to put in the center of my lips. And the next product is a clear yet a little pinky lip gloss, and I'm going to apply that all over my lips. I'm going to be taking this eyeshadow that is full of shimmers and actually use them as highlighters. So I'm going to mix some of the pink shades and put them right on top of my cheekbones. With a little bit of that green eyeshadow, we can complete the eyeshadow look just by applying it in the lower lash line. Quickly, I'm going to apply some mascara and false lashes and a few little finishing touches to make this fairy look really come to life, and I'll meet you here in a second. And I'm back to show you the final look. I just added a flower crown that was actually DIY and super easy to make. I actually have the tutorial over on my Instagram account, Gabriella Catano, so make sure you check it out. The ears that I'm wearing, by the way, are from Spirit Halloween, and I ran out of spirit gum, which is what like glues it together to your skin. But a little hack, latex-free eyelash adhesive actually worked amazing. So I also went ahead and added a few little rhinestones in different areas because I felt when I was off camera that it needed a little pop. And of course I did some like light sort of mermaid wave. If you guys don't have a three-pronged curler like this one, you can just sleep in braids, maybe add some hairspray, and hopefully it'll give you this same style. I felt like I was missing a little pop of color in the waterline, so I'm gonna add a green eyeliner to wrap up this tutorial. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. If you guys decide to recreate this, I'd love to see your look, so remember to tag me on my Instagrams, Gabriella Catano and Catano Glam. Happy Halloween, I'll see you next time.